We all get the basics of growth. Things start small and get big. But nature loves to break its own rules. For a huge portion of the animal kingdom, life isn't a straight line. It's a multi-act play where the main character is completely recast for each act. The scientific name for this is metamorphosis, a word that literally means to change form. It's a genius strategy. It allows the young to live in entirely different worlds than their parents, eating different food and facing different dangers. This cuts down on competition and gives the species a massive leg up. But metamorphosis isn't the only trick nature has up its sleeve.